Morning, welcome back to Detailing World. Today's video we're going to be travelling down to Nottingham and visiting Car-Chem. We're going to be having a wander around their factory, maybe do a couple of interviews and talk about the new car care products that they released yesterday. So yeah, let's make a move. Right, so yeah, we've just arrived here at Car-Chem then. Just going to go and find Luke and Stephen and see what the crack is, see what order we're doing things in today. Bit of a strange drive down here. For some reason, cars were moving from lane 2 to lane 3 when I was coming behind them, despite no one being in front to overtake. I don't know if that's because of the cameras on the side of the car or what. But yeah, let's make a move inside and see what's what.
So we've not long had this put up actually. So this is kind of like your more viscous products and things. Right. So we've got this here, which is kind of like the smaller mixing area. Big storage tanks, powder room for things like polishes and abrasives, compounds. Polymer tanks there. So one's a polymer tank, one's a wax tank. Right. So things like flammable tanks and that we have to keep outside. But yeah. We can keep them in here. Then this is the main mixing area. It's around 75 tonnes in total of mixing. Like I say, it's quite big and bulky. And then we've got a few smaller mixing tanks next door. But again, that's more for, we do so much bespoke stuff. Yeah. And people can come on to us and say, look, I just want 25 litres, but I want it completely bespoke. I want it like this, like that.
It's like the total opposite of what you expect of detailing products. Crisp and clean, and then you come in, everything looks dirty. And but it's a working environment, it's just like mixing any chemical. So that's all it is at the end of the day, isn't it? It's chemicals. So what's all these in the? Are these just raw? Raw materials. All raw materials.
Yeah, you've got it. So all these are kind of like different surfactants. We've probably got, I'd say around 400 odd different surfactants on site. So your surfactants primarily are there. Well, surfactants do a few things. Well, each surfactants do something different. Primarily they're there to bond water and oil together. So the chemical links help to bond them together. But then you can get them so they foam better, so they've got enhanced cleaning ability, so they wet out better. Yeah. Surfactants, when it comes to cleaning products, are kind of your key ingredients into cleaning products.
Right, so that's us done now down at Car-Chem. Spent a good few hours talking to Luke and Simon about Car-Chem, how they work, how they manufacture products. It's really different. It's not what you expect a basically detailing product manufacturer to be like. I don't know, I think I kind of expected it to be men in white suits and really crisp and clean. Yeah, it's very, very, very different. It kind of like the opposite end of the scale to detailing. So detailing's all crisp and clean, nothing out of place, so to speak. Manufacturing, they're essentially just mixing chemicals and then putting them in a bottle. So yeah, it's something strange, but really, really good coming down here, seeing these. As we mentioned in the interview, which we'll link when that's ready, they've just released a new range of products, which is the Car-Chem, their own range, basically, their own label. I'll put a link below to the shop for that. So that got released yesterday, which was the 12th of April. They've currently got a deal on as well. I think it's like 5 100ml bottles for £10, £9.99. That's until the end of the month, I think Luke says, so keep an eye out for that one. But yeah, that's it. We'll see you next week.